Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about a detailed structure of monocot stem, primary structure. As you can see in the picture, this is a diagrammatic view of monocot stem and this is the detailed cellular structure. As you can see in the monocot stem, there is an outer layer of epidermis. Just below the epidermis, you can see another kind of tissue called hypodermis. The tissue just behind the epidermis is called hypodermis. And this hypodermis is mainly made up of sclerenchymatous tissue. And in some cases, chlorenchyma tissue is also there in between as patches. That is why you can see, because of these chlorenchyma, the stem looks like green color. Looks in majority of the stem, it looks green because of this chlorenchyma in hypodermis. And in epidermis, just above the epidermis, majority of monocot stem has a cuticle, a thick cuticle. Because monocot stem, there is no secondary structure. So the stem is basically, it will be soft, not woody structure. So anyway, it need a protection from the natural enemies. So it will have a cuticle. Majority of the stem has a cuticle just above the epidermis. So epidermis, hypodermis, and then you can see this is a cortical tissue, cortex. It is not, as in dicot stem, it is not differentiated. Okay, this cortex is not differentiated into different kinds of tissue. This is a cortex, the ground tissue. We say it is not cortex, it may be, we can call it ground tissue. Okay, in dicot stem there is, we have seen that there is a cortex, then endodermis, and then stellar part and all. Here it's all same. This is a ground tissue. In ground tissue, these vascular bundles are scattered, as you can see here, unlike dicot stem that we have studied before. So these vascular tissues are scattered in the ground tissue. Okay, so this ground tissue, it is a mainly loosely made up of loosely arranged parenchyma cells, and vascular bundles, numerous vascular bundles. Unlike dicot stem, numerous vascular bundles are scattered in the ground tissue. Okay, in dicot stem, what we have seen is there's a limited number of vascular bundles arranged in a ring-like pattern. But in monocot stem, there is numerous vascular bundle scattered in the ground tissue. And when we go to each vascular bundle, you can see here there is a two xylem tissue and there is a protoxylem. This is a metaxylem and this is the protoxylem. Okay, so this metaxylem and the protoxylem, and here there is, you can see a cavity called the protoxylem lacuna. Means some of the protoxylem cells are broken down to form a cavity-like structure. This is also a characteristic feature of monocot stem, presence of protoxylem lacuna. So this is and then this is a phloem, as you know, this is a phloem, and there is a as in dicot stem that we have seen, there is a bundle sheath. That means sclerenchymatous structure surrounding the vascular bundle. So this is the sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. But in dicot stem, we have seen this bundle sheath is seen. It was like a cap-like structure. We call their bundle cap. Here, unlike bundle cap, this is a bundle sheath because it is surrounds the vascular bundle. Okay, so. So in the bundle cap and then phloem and the xylem, metaxylem and the protoxylem become protoxylem lacuna. And here you can see, is there any pith? No, there is no pith. See, look. So this ground tissue is completely filled with the numerous vascular bundles which is scattered. Okay, so this is the structure of the monocot stem. There are many differences, as you have studied, many differences from the dicot stem. Okay, so main differences are there is a sclerenchymatous hypodermis and there is a cuticle and there is no epidermal hairs as in dicot stem, and vascular bundles are scattered and numerous in number, and there is no cortex tissue, differentiated cortex tissue, but instead here it is a ground tissue and there is no characteristic pith as in dicot stem. So this is structure of the typical monocot stem. Okay, in the next class we will soon we will study the structure of dicot root and the monocot root. Okay, by this we'll end the today's portion. Thank you.